Hey guys, this is Oscar again over at Nikkyocars in Japan. Got a really nice treat for you today. This is a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid G. It is powered by a 2500cc engine plus the electric motor, of course, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let me show you around. All right, so a couple of things to point out here on the side. First thing, wheels. You've got 18-inch gunmetal polished original Toyota alloys. Pristine shape, no scratches. They're completely clean. You've also got, of course, your visors right there. Here you've got your blind spot monitor right there, as you can see. You also have your side camera right there. So all the safety features you need are in this car. A very cool car. All right, now back here. First thing, again, you've got your sensors all across the back bumper to help you when parking and to avoid any unwanted collisions. You've got your back camera right here, of course. Spoiler on the top, but the cool feature back here, of course, let me show you. It opens automatically. So as you can see, very spacious back here. Enough room to carry stuff, to go on a little camping trip, whatever you might need. Over here you've got your spare tire in case you get a flat. And of course, this opens automatically and also closes automatically with that button right there. All in all, a very cool car. Alright guys, so now we are inside the car. First thing I want you to notice is the cluster here. It's a very nice blue hue, so very stylish, very cool looking. You also got your steering wheel controllers right here. You've got cruise control in this area right here. You've got your steering wheel heater right there in case you need it. You can open the trunk from here as well. You've got on this area you've got a 9-inch screen, very wide, very big. You've got all your AC controllers right here. You got heat seats, so the seat heater right there for both driver and passenger side. And this is a very cool feature. You've got a wireless phone charger. So here, let me put my phone here and you'll see. There you go, it's charging. So that is very cool right there. You also got here the different driving modes. So with this button right here, you can go off-roading if you want. You've got the sports mode right here, the eco mode on the other side. You push this down, it's just the normal drive, and then if you do use this one right here, you can just use the electric motor. So a lot of things to choose from in this car. Another cool thing you've got is the trim on the dash. It's got this leather trim, so it's very unique, very nice. Down here also you've got a very unique trim. It allows for things not to fall down, so if you need to put something in there like your phone, for the passenger, doesn't fall. The interior of this car is all leather seats, front and back. So a lot of little cool extra features in this car. And one thing that I wanted to show, I should have done that earlier. There you go. You see how that keeps track of. Now watch. And that happens with every single door. You'll be able to see when something's open. So, you know, a very, very cool car. A lot of little extra features. And before I forget, you've got your USB chargers right there. So, you know, you basically have everything you need inside this car. Alright guys, so this is the engine bay of the car. As we mentioned earlier, 2500cc plus the electric motor. As you can see, very, very clean. Still has quite a bit of power, but it is fuel efficient, so it is a hybrid after all. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed looking around this car with me. So this car is, the total price of this car is what we're asking is $30,000 plus the shipping. You can get one exactly the same. So if you're interested in getting something like this or anything really, please get in touch with us. Our phone number will be right in this area. Our email address right down here. And at the bottom on the more info area, you'll be able to find a link to our page. And you can browse around our stock, see if there's anything you like. Please get in touch with us. We'll be waiting for you.